we're going to tell you about blizzard safety.
We will show you what you need in a safety bag.
The first thing is a bag to put your stuff in, food with energy, and water too.
You'll also need things to keep you warm, like blankets, pillows, hats, extra clothes, and have an extra medicine bag on hand.
Can we go outside?
No. It's very dangerous to go outside in this weather, so you always need to stay indoors.
Oh man, we were all ready to go outside.
Well, my answer is still no. Let's get back to the safety bag.
Watch for frostbite if you get really cold, and make sure that you don't get hypothermia.
Make sure that you have enough food to last you for a while, just in case the storm lasts a long time.
Now we will tell you what to do if you're in a car when there is a snowstorm.
If the roads are icy, pull over and call someone and tell them where you are.
Make sure you have blankets and some type of food in your car.
Stay in your car at all times, just so you don't get hypothermia or frostbite.
Make sure when you pull over that you're not by power lines and that you have your emergency lights on.
And that's everything on blizzard safety in a car. Now to the outdoors.
Very cold outside. It's 20 degrees and very windy. It's snowed for the past 7 days. As if you can tell, we're getting snow in our faces. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
It's very cold. I'm freezing cold. Aren't you? I think we should go back inside. Let's go.
Some things that you need in your first aid kit. Bandages,
An instant cold pack,
gloves,
nose strips,
some non-stick pads,
tweezers,
tape,
hand cleansing wipes,
some gauze pads,
some triple antibiotic ointment,
and a first aid kit guide. Okay, this is Blizzard Trivia. Our contestants today are
Ellie Peters,
and Cassidy. We are going to ask them questions about safety kits. First one is worth 50 points. What is something you should put in a safety kit?
Band-Aids,
Correct. 50 points for Ellie. Next thing is, what is something that you should have in your car for a safety kit?
Blankets.
Correct. That one is worth 50 points too. The next thing is, what should you have in your home?
a first aid kit,
You already answered something like that, so that's incorrect.
flashlight
What would you say?
batteries,
Correct.
for what?
It's the same question. That one was worth 100. So you have 150 and you have 50. Next question is, how long is a normal blizzard last?
A couple of weeks.